Hello everybody. If you watched part one, you know that we deployed an API gateway and a whole bunch of APIs and services into our Kubernetes cluster. Well, now we're going to supersize it by adding analytics. So let's start at the very beginning. In 5 seconds, we're going to go ahead and deploy everything. So we just created a new namespace following the README in the repository. I'll put it in the description. And now we're going to apply the whole directory. It's going to create all of our APIs and our API gateway. Okay, great. Next up, let's go ahead and deploy the ELK stack, Elastic Search Kibana. We'll go ahead and we'll do that, and it's creating everything. And just like that, we are now officially done. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new terminal like that, and we're going to bring that on over. And then we're going to use the fancy K9S functionality here, and we're going to see all of our different pods. There we go. And so now we just have to give it a minute or so for it to start. So we'll come back and see where we are. Okay, so that should be enough time for our service to come up now. And so if we go back to the README, we can follow the instructions. So let's make a couple API calls. Let's copy all that. And then we'll go down here. So now we're making an API call through the gateway to our API, and our, let's go to a different API, and our type pump should be capturing those analytics and then pushing them to Kibana. So we've just made a couple API calls. Now let's port forward to access Kibana. So let's go ahead and copy that. So kubectl port forward deployment to Kibana. And so now I get a nice little fancy browser thingy. And bring that over here, and we're going to go to localhost 5601 where the Kibana application is running, and you can see now we can connect to it. Okay, good. So let's go to discover. It's going to tell us we have to define our first index, so let's go ahead and do that. Tyke, next step, we give it a timestamp, and then create index pattern, and we're done. So now we go to discover again, and you can see all the API traffic analytics. And we can even see the different APIs. So if I go to API name, you can see the two different ones there. And that's it. In no time at all, we've deployed an API gateway with full observability and analytics into our Kubernetes cluster. Thanks for watching.